Welcome back to Future Fuel, where we explore the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 BMW X6, a luxury SUV that redefines elegance, performance, and innovation. Get ready, because this one's a game changer. The BMW X6 has always been a bold statement of style and power, and the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. Its coupe-inspired design continues to captivate with aggressive lines, a muscular stance, and a presence that demands attention. For 2025, BMW has refined this design even further, enhancing aerodynamics and introducing new color options that take personalization to the next level. Under the hood, the 2025 X6 offers a range of powertrains to cater to every driver. Whether you're looking at the efficient inline-six, the robust V8 or the cutting-edge plug-in hybrid option, BMW delivers performance that thrills. The X6 xDrive variant in particular is a beast, boasting over 530 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time that will leave your heart racing. But it's not just about raw power. The X6 is engineered for precision and control. With BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension, the handling is razor-sharp, whether you're navigating winding roads or cruising the highway. It's the perfect balance of luxury and sportiness, offering an exhilarating driving experience every time you get behind the wheel and step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's a masterclass in luxury. Premium materials, ambient lighting, and meticulous craftsmanship create an interior that's both sophisticated and inviting. The seats are not only plush and supportive, but also offer heating, cooling, and massage functions to keep you comfortable on even the longest drives. The centerpiece of the interior is BMW's latest iDrive system, displayed on a stunning curved touchscreen. This infotainment system is packed with features, from advanced navigation to seamless smartphone integration. The voice-activated assistant is more intuitive than ever, making it effortless to control everything from climate settings to media playback. Safety is another area where the 2025 X6 shines. BMW has equipped it with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies not only make driving safer, but also reduce stress, especially in busy urban environments. For those who crave exclusivity, BMW offers a range of customization options, from premium upholstery choices to bespoke trim finishes. And with the available executive package, you can add features like a panoramic sky lounge, laser headlights, and a premium Bowers & Wilkins audio system, elevating the X6 to a whole new level of opulence. But the 2025 X6 isn't just about luxury, it's also about sustainability. The plug-in hybrid variant is a testament to BMW's commitment to the environment, offering impressive electric-only range and reduced emissions without compromising performance. It's a step forward for those who want to enjoy a high-performance vehicle while being mindful of their carbon footprint. As we wrap up, it's clear that the 2025 BMW X6 is more than just an SUV. It's a statement of innovation, luxury, and performance. Whether you're drawn to its striking design, cutting-edge technology, or exhilarating powertrains, the X6 has something to offer every discerning driver. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 BMW X6. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Future Fuel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the cars shaping the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.